In this video, I'll break down the top 5 non-stick pans and which non-stick pan I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best non-stick pan and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Tramontina Professional Frying Pan. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It delivers exceptional heat distribution thanks to its heavy-gauge aluminum construction. The reinforced non-stick coating performs admirably, allowing eggs to slide effortlessly without wrinkling and requiring minimal cleanup. Its cast stainless steel handle features a removable silicone grip for versatility and comfort during use. The pan is compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic glass cooktops and can withstand oven temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The seamless interior design eliminates rivet spots that could trap food, making cleanup straightforward with just warm water and soap. The high sloped edges excel at dynamic cooking methods like sautéing and stir-frying. While the exterior may show some discoloration over time with high heat use, the non-stick properties remain reliable with proper care. Avoid metal utensils and excessive heat for longevity. The pan is dishwasher safe, though hand washing is recommended. At number 4, we have the Boxiki Ceramic Pan. The Boxiki Ceramic Pan excels with its premium non-toxic ceramic coating that delivers exceptional non-stick performance. The pan features a durable construction with a stainless steel handle that stays cool during stovetop cooking. Its ceramic surface heats quickly and distributes heat evenly, making it particularly effective for delicate foods like omelets and pancakes. The textured cooking surface ensures consistent browning while allowing food to release effortlessly. The pan transitions seamlessly from stovetop to oven with heat resistance up to 445 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleanup is straightforward. The non-stick surface wipes clean easily and is dishwasher safe. The pan's robust build quality and reinforced ceramic coating suggest good longevity with proper care. While the stainless steel handle provides good grip, it can become slippery when wet. At number 3, we have the Alva Maestro Pan. The Maestro Pan stands out for its exceptional non-stick performance, requiring minimal oil for cooking. The ceramic coating is completely free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, making it a truly non-toxic option. Its aluminum core provides excellent heat conductivity and distribution, preventing hot spots and ensuring even cooking results. The welded stainless steel handle stays cool during cooking and offers a comfortable grip. The pan transitions seamlessly from stovetop to oven, being oven safe up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. While not dishwasher safe, it cleans effortlessly with just soap and water. The straight-sided design and rounded rim minimize spills when pouring. After extended use, the ceramic coating shows remarkable durability with minimal wear, though proper care with non-metal utensils is recommended. The pan performs exceptionally well for various cooking tasks, from perfect pancakes to delicate sautéing. At number 2, we have the HexClad Hybrid Pan. This is our runner-up pick and combines stainless steel durability with non-stick functionality through its unique hexagonal pattern design. The pan features an aluminum core sandwiched between stainless steel layers, with ceramic-coated non-stick valleys between raised steel hexagons. This construction ensures even heat distribution and compatibility with all cooktop types, including induction. The pan is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and features a stay-cool handle. While not as non-stick as traditional coatings, it performs well when properly seasoned and used at medium heat settings. The ceramic coating requires careful maintenance with recommended hand washing, though it is dishwasher safe. The pan's hybrid design offers good searing capabilities while maintaining some non-stick properties. With proper care and following the manufacturer's temperature guidelines, the pan delivers reliable cooking performance and comes with a lifetime warranty for manufacturing defects. At number 1, we have the Our Place Always Pan. This is the best non-stick pan you can buy on the market and excels at versatile cooking performance with its durable ceramic non-stick coating that delivers exceptional food release. The aluminum body construction ensures quick and even heat distribution, making it suitable for various cooking methods from searing to steaming. The pan features a modular lid design and comes with a custom-fit steamer basket and wooden spatula that nest together efficiently. The non-stick surface is free from PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium, making it a safer choice for everyday cooking. The pan's coating maintains its non-stick properties effectively when properly cared for with medium heat settings and gentle utensils. Its thoughtful design includes a pour spout and integrated spoon rest, while the Stay Cool handle provides comfortable control during cooking. Cleaning is remarkably simple. Most residue wipes away with minimal effort, and the pan is dishwasher safe, though hand washing is recommended to preserve the non-stick coating. The ceramic surface shows good resistance to scratching and maintains its appearance with regular use. One notable aspect is the pan's ability to replace multiple cooking vessels, functioning as a fry pan, sauté pan, steamer, and more. The beechwood spatula included is well crafted and safe for use on the non-stick surface. While the ceramic coating requires careful maintenance, following the care instructions helps ensure long-lasting performance. So that sums up my top 5 non-stick pans. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.